Hello everyone, I welcome you all to this session. So today we will be discussing VSAQs from the chapter of measures of dispersion. So measures of dispersion, this carries a weightage of 9 marks out of total. So 9 marks is split into 2, that is VSAQs, there will be one question, so carrying 2 marks, and there will be long answer question, that is one question, so carrying 7 marks. So this chapter is carrying measures of dispersion, that is it is carrying how many marks? 9 marks. So total this chapter is carrying 9 marks, but this chapter is highly important not just for intermediate but also for MSET and also for chapter that is upcoming chapter, that is probability also, and also random variables and probability. So this chapter forms the basics or the base of statistics. All right, so first of all let us understand what is measures of dispersion. What is dispersion? Okay, so you must know that why we are using this chapter, why this chapter is needed. Okay, before that let me give you an illustration where let A and B be two batsmen. Okay, and let this denote their score or their batting score in their previous last 10 test matches or any matches, test match, T20 or one day, whatever it is. Okay, so looking at this, what we will get to know? So suppose you want to find the average of these two batsmen. So to find the average means you are nothing but you are finding the arithmetic mean. So arithmetic mean is what? Arithmetic mean is nothing but summation of xi divided by total number of observation, that is total number of innings. So that gives us here, we will get it as, actually we will get it as 53. Okay, 53, average is 53 for average or arithmetic mean. Average of A will be 53 and average of B will also be 53. Average of B will also be 53. Suppose we want to find the median. To find the median is nothing but we have to first find what? We have to first find number of observations. Here the number of observations is what? Number of observations is 10. To find the median, suppose if n is odd, the median will be equal to n plus 1 by 2 term, n plus 1 by 2 term. Okay, the median will be this one. Okay, suppose the median is, or n is even. If n is even, the median will be equal to 1 by 2 into n by 2 plus n plus 2 by 2 term. Okay, n plus 2 by 2 term. This will be the median. So here by using this, here n is even, so we will get median will be equal to 53. So we are getting average, that is arithmetic mean also 53 and median also 53. So by looking at this, what we will think? We will think that the performance of both the players, that is both A and B are same, that is average is same and median is same, that is their performance is same. Suppose these two players are to be selected. Suppose the selectors have not watched their match. I mean, they have not watched how they have batted. By looking at the score sheet, they want to select. At that time, what they will do? They will look at the score sheet and see the average, but it is coming out to be same. Okay, but based on this, you cannot select. Okay, but based on this, you cannot select because just because average is same, just because median is same or arithmetic mean is same, you cannot select. That is not a right way to select. So what should we do? So to come up with the solution, the chapter of dispersion, measures of dispersion came into being. Okay, that is to find a solution to such kind of scenarios, measures of dispersion will help us. Okay, measures of dispersion, what it will do? Measures of dispersion, it measures what? The variability. It measures the variability. Okay, it measures variability. Okay, variability will be measured by measures of dispersion. So if you talk about variability here, see friends, in batsman A, the lowest score is what? The lowest score is 2 and highest score is 116. So if you talk about range, range is nothing but friends, the difference between minimum value and maximum value. Okay, here you can see the difference between maximum value and minimum value of the data is nothing but range. Okay, so if you talk about range for A is what? Range for A is, that is 116 minus 2. 116 minus 2, that is 114. Okay. Now if you talk about range for B, what is the highest score of B? Highest score of B is 60. Okay, highest score of B is 60. And what is the lowest score? You have to look at the lowest score. Lowest score is 6. Okay, lowest score is 6. So B is 60 minus 6. It is 54. So by basis of range, you can find that they are varying. Okay, like that there are many measures of dispersion. Okay, one is range, another one is variance, another one is standard deviation, like that. Okay, mean deviation, all these things. So to measure the variability between two sets of data, okay, dispersion is required. So the measures of dispersion include range, mean deviation, okay, another one is standard deviation, variance. So in this chapter we are going to learn about all these things. So that is the need of what? Measures of dispersion to measure variability. Got it, friends? Having said this, let us look at some important results. Okay, like I told, range is the difference between maximum value of the data and minimum value of the data. Next is mean deviation. Okay, see, one thing you must understand, mean deviation we are going to measure for both group data and ungrouped data. Mean deviation for ungrouped data, that is ungrouped distribution, will be given by, so mean deviation we are going to measure, we can measure using mean also, and mean deviation we can measure using median also. Okay, mean deviation, when we measure using mean, the formula is given by 1 by n summation of xi minus x dash. Xi is what? Observations, and x bar is, this is nothing but the arithmetic mean, friends. X bar is nothing but the arithmetic mean. So 1 by n is, this n is number of observation. Why this modulus? Modulus because we are only taking absolute value. Absolute value. Suppose arithmetic mean is 6 and the observation is 2. 2 minus 6 will get minus 4. In that case, we are going to ignore the negative sign. We are going to take only the absolute value. That's why we are using modulus. Similarly, mean deviation about the median is 1 by n. Same formula, but here instead of arithmetic mean, we are using median. That's all. Got it, friends? This is one of the thing. Now we have to find mean deviation for group ungrouped data. We are using this formula. What about group data? Mean deviation for group data. Okay, mean deviation for group data. Mean deviation about the mean, mean deviation about the median. Here also, there also, mean deviation about the mean, mean deviation about the median. Here also, mean deviation about the mean, mean deviation about the median. Okay, one is distribution will be of two types in group data. One will be discrete distribution, another one will be continuous distribution. For discrete distribution is this one. Okay, 1 by n, n is total number of observation, f of I is summation of fi modulus of xi minus x bar. This you know already, I told you, explain. This one is what? Frequency of observations. N is frequency of observations. I mean summation of fi is frequency of observations. Got it? Frequency of observation is summation of fi. Fi is frequency of observations. Now mean deviation about median, same formula, wherever arithmetic mean is there, instead of that you will substitute median. That's it. First you will find the, in this case you will first find mean, in this place, in this case you will first find median. That's it. Okay, next, variance and standard deviation for ungrouped data. Variance and standard deviation for ungrouped data. Till now we understood how to find mean deviation for group data also, for ungrouped data also. Okay, now what about how to find variance and standard deviation for ungrouped data? For that we have the formula sigma square is equal to 1 by summation of xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, earlier what you used to do for mean deviation, 1 by summation of xi minus x bar, we used to take modulus. Okay, here instead of modulus we will square it, summation of this square. Okay, that is nothing but variance. What about standard deviation? Standard deviation is what? Square root of variance. Standard deviation is nothing but equal to square root of variance. Whatever value of variance you get, that if you take the square root, you will get standard deviation. This is for what? This is for ungrouped data. Be careful, I am talking about ungrouped data. So variance and standard deviation for discrete frequency. Discrete frequency means this is what? This is group data. This is group data. This is for group data. This is what we will be using. For group data, this is the formula. Sigma square 1 by n f of I, summation of f of I, xi minus x bar. Modulus of xi minus x bar for mean deviation. Here it is xi minus x bar whole square. That's it. So what about standard deviation? Square root of this, square root of variance. So what about for continuous frequency distribution? for continuous frequency distribution, okay, there are two formulas. You can use either of them depending on the question. 1 by n, okay, square root of product of n into summation of fi xi whole square minus this within the bracket summation of fi xi square, okay, fi xi square. Or when you find out the step value means suppose 40 to 50 there is one range. So here 40 to 50 is what? The difference is 10. So the value of h, that is step value, will be equal to 10. So h by n square root of this one, h by n square root of this one, where yi it will be equal to xi minus a by h, xi minus a by h. Got it, friends? This is how you find standard deviation for continuous frequency distribution. That is for discrete frequency. This is for continuous frequency. When it is continuous frequency, what you will do is you have to find the midpoint of the class interval. Okay, suppose 40 to 50 is given something, so that time you have to find midpoint of class interval is 40 to 50 is 45, just like that. Got it? Now coefficient of variation is given by sigma by x, that is standard deviation by x into 100, where arithmetic mean is not equal to 0. So these are all the important results which you have to know. Okay, so based on this we will solve the questions, that is VSAQs, that has been asked in the previous years, friends. So I told this chapter is carrying 9 marks in your intermediate exam. So one VSAQ and one 7 marks question. So we will be solving the VSAQs of the previous years, which will give you a lot of confidence if you practice this. So look at this. Based on whatever the concepts I told, we just revised the concept. Based on that only they have given the questions. Very simple questions. They have told find the mean deviation about the mean for the following. I told mean deviation we have to find. We can find about the mean also, mean deviation about the median also. They are telling mean deviation about the mean. So let us write down mean deviation about the mean. Okay, is given by what? Mean deviation about the mean is given by, okay, 1 by n into summation of xi minus x bar. That's it. Okay, xi minus x bar. Here n is what? Number of observations. Okay, so let us write down what is the observation that is given. 3, 6, 10, 4, 9 and 10. 3, 6, 10, 4, 9 and 10. This is about the mean. If they had asked about median, we have to arrange the data in ascending order. To find the median, you have to arrange it in ascending order. But since it is mean, no need to arrange. So what is the value of x? So here x bar. First let us see that n is what? The value of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the value of number of observations n is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it, friends? So now we will find mean. To find, that is arithmetic mean, x bar is equal to sum of observations, sum of xi divided by n. Sum of xi is what? 3 plus 6 plus all these things, all the numbers you add. That is finding the average. 3 plus 6 plus 10 plus 4 plus 9 plus 10 divided by what is the value of n? N is 6. So this will be equal to what? 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 10, 19, 23, okay, 23, 32, 42. So it is 42 by 6. So that is 7. So we got what? We got x bar, that is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean we got it as 7, friends. Arithmetic mean we got it as 7. Now we have to find out this deviation, that is mean deviation about the mean. Mean deviation about the mean is given by, or let us take it as, let us write the formula. What is the value of this one? Mean deviation about the mean is given by which formula? That is 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar. Okay, modulus. Okay, xi minus x bar. 1 by n is what? N is what, friends? It is 6. So let us write it like this. Xi minus x bar. So 7 minus 3 is what? 7 minus 3. Let us write it like this. 7 minus 3 plus, so xi minus x bar, right? So I should write first 3. Whether what, it remains the same. Value, what value will get? The value will get will be the same. Nothing much to worry because it is modulus. So this will be 3 minus 7 plus, this will be 6 minus 7 within modulus plus, this will be 10 minus 7 within modulus, 10 minus 7 plus 4 minus 7 plus 4 minus 7 plus 9 minus 7 modulus plus what is it, 10 minus 7. Okay, and bracket. Now if you compute this, we'll get the answer. So 1 by 6 modulus of 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Since modulus is there, we have to take plus 4. So it will be 4 plus this is 1 plus 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 7 is minus 3, that will become plus 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 10 minus 7 is 3. So this will be equal to what, friends? So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, 11 plus 2, 13. Okay, 13 plus 3 is 16. So 16 by 6. 16 by 6. Okay, 16 by 6. This value will be equal to 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So what is left? 4 is left. Okay, 4 is left means 6 6 are 36. Okay, 6 6 the 36. 4 is left means 6 2s are 12. 4 is left. 6 6 the 36. Okay, so you can leave it at 2.6, something like that. 2 point. It will come as 2.666. So instead of that, you can write it as 2.67. So this is the answer, friends. You can write it as 2.67. 2.67. So this is the answer to this question. So let's move to the second one. Find the mean deviation from the mean of the following discrete data. Same thing. Okay, same thing. Mean deviation from the mean. Okay, mean deviation from the mean from the following discrete data. Same formula we have to use. Mean deviation from the mean is given by what? Mean deviation from the mean. Okay, mean deviation from the mean, same formula, that is, it is given by 1 by n into summation of xi minus x bar within the modulus. Got it, friends? Within the modulus. So mean deviation from the mean. If it is median, you have to arrange the data in ascending order. Otherwise, if it is mean, we need not worry. Mean deviation from the mean is given by is equal to 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar within modulus. So here n value is first, let us write on the observations: 7, 10, 12, 13, 14 and 16. So what is the value of n here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the value of n is 6. Here the value of n is 6. So what is the arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is summation of xi divided by n, that is sum of all these divided by n. So that is what, friends? That is 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 16. 14 plus 16 divided by n is 6. So what is this? 7 plus 10, 17. 17 plus 12 is 29. 29 plus 13 is 42. 42 plus 14 is 56. 56 plus 16 is 72. That is 72. Okay, let us see again. 17, 29, 29, 42, 56, 56, 56 plus 16 is 56 plus 16 is 72. 72 by 6. 72 by 6. So 6 12s are 72. So x bar will be equal to 12. So x bar we got it as equal to 12. X bar we got it as equal to 12. So the formula, this one, we have to find mean deviation about the mean, that is 1 by summation of xi minus x bar. This is not bracket, this should be modulus. Okay, this is modulus. So that we will get it as what? 1 by 6 into xi minus x bar, that is in the bracket I will write it as 12 minus or 7 minus 12, 7 minus 12 plus 10 minus 12. Okay, 10 minus 12. Next plus 12 minus 12, 12 minus 12 plus 13 minus 12 modulus within modulus, 13 minus 12 plus 14 minus 12 plus 16 minus 12 within modulus. Okay, so what do we get here, friends? So that will be equal to 1 by 6 into, what is it? 7 minus 12 is 5. 10 minus 12 is 2, because we are taking only absolute values. This will be 12 minus 12 will be 0, plus 13 minus 12 will be 1, plus 14 minus 12 will be 2, plus 16 minus 12 will be 4. So this is equal to what? This if add 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 1 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, that is 14 by 6. Okay, 14 by 6. So 6 2s are 12. Okay, 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12. 2 will be left. 6 2s are 12. 2 will be left. 6 3s are 18. Again 2 point, we will get it as, let us write it as 2.34, because you will get it as 2.333, or you can write it as, or you can keep it as 2 point something like that. Here let us check once. What about the arithmetic mean we have got? Let us check once. What is the data that they have given? Is it correct? 12, 16, 7, 10. Okay, here in the question there should be another one value. For this present question it is correct, but actually there should be another one value, that is 6. So this will be 6. Okay, so this will be 6. So as per this, the n value will also change. The n value will also change. So the n value will become here, n will become 7. Here we have to add 6 plus 6. Okay, so this will become what? This will become 78 by 7. 13. This is not 4, 14, this is 4. Okay, as per the question, this is not 14, this is 4. This is 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 16. Okay, 6 7 10 12 13 4 4 12 and 16. Let me write it. This is 12. Okay, 12 and 16. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there are 8 observations, so this will change. The given number is, putting mistake is there, so the given numbers are 6 7 10 12 13 4 16 and 12. Okay, so your n value will be equal to 8. N value will be equal to 8, and this value will change. This value will change completely because it is 8 observations. So this will be equal to 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 16 plus 12. So friends, this will be plus 12. This divided by 8. Same procedure, but the values have changed because we have taken, there is a printing mistake. So this will be 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 10 is 23, 23 plus 12 is 35, 35 plus 13 is 48, 48 plus 4 is 52, 52 plus 16 is 68, 68 plus 12 is 80. So 80 divided by 8, so that is 10. So arithmetic mean will be equal to 10, not 12, it will be equal to 10. So again this value will change. Let us write it again. Just a minute, we'll write it again. So if mean is 10, what will happen to this? This will become 1 by 8 into I'll write directly. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, 10 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 10 is 0. 10 minus 12 is 12. 10 minus 12 is 2. 10 minus 13 is 3. I'm taking absolute value because it is modulus. 10 minus 4 is 6. 10 minus 16 is 6. 10 minus 12 is 2. Okay friends, I have taken absolute values. I have not taken modulus, directly I have taken. So this will be 1 by 8 into 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 plus 6 is 24, 24 plus 2 is 26. So this will be into 26 by 8. So 8 4s are 32 plus 4 first plus 4 will be left. 8 4 the 8 4s are 8 4s are 32. 8 3s are 24. Okay, 2 will be left. 8 2s are 16.2. Again 4 will be left. So 3.25. So the answer to this question is 3.25, friends. That's how you solve this question. Next one. Find the mean deviation above the median for the following data. Let me have a look at the data. 469, 310, 469, 310, 13, 2. Okay, this is fine. So find the mean deviation above the median for the following data. So for mean deviation above the median, same procedure, instead of mean, we'll be finding the median. That's all, friends. So mean deviation about median, mean deviation about the median is given by the formula, same formula, 1 by n summation of xi minus median, modulus. That's all. Summation of xi minus median modulus of xi minus median. Okay, wherever arithmetic mean is there, you have to find median here. First of all, let us see what is the value of n. But before that, let us write the observation for this 4, 6, 9, 3, 10, 13. So instead of writing as it is, let us write it in ascending order. Because it becomes easy for us to find the median. So ascending order means 2 comes first, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 9, 10, 13. Okay, how many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here n is equal to what? N is equal to 7. Here n is equal to 7. What about the median? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here n is odd. So median is equal to n plus 1 by 2 term. Here n is what? N is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 term. So that is equal to 4 term. 4 term will be medium. What is the 4 term here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the middle term. So median will be here equal to 6. So we got median. Median we got it as 6, friends. Median we got it as 6. Okay, median we got it as 6. Now we have to find out the mean deviation about the median, that is 1 by n summation of xi minus median. That's it. So to find out that, see here, what we have to do, 1 by n is what? N is 1 by 7. So summation of, so this will be, what is it? Median is how much? Median is 6. So this will be 2 minus 6 plus this is 3 minus 6 plus this will be 4 minus 6 plus this will be how much? This will be 6 minus 6 plus 9 minus 6 plus 10 minus 6 plus this will be 13 minus 6. Okay, that is xi minus median. That is what we have written within absolute value. That is, we are finding the absolute value. Now this will become equal to what, friend? This will become equal to 1 by 7 into 2 minus 6 is, this will be 4. 4 plus 3 plus 2, 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 minus 6 is 4. Okay, 13 minus 6 will be equal to 7. So if you add this, what you will get? That will be equal to 1 by 7 into what is it? So 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 3, sorry, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 7 is 23. So 23 by 7, so that will be equal to what, friends? 23 by 7 will be equal to what? 23 by 7 will be equal to, see, 7 3s are 21, 2 will be left, so 7 2s are 14. Okay, 2 will be left, 7 2s are 14, 6 will be left, 7 8s are 56, 4 will be left, 7 5s are 35. Let us keep it here. So the answer is 3.284. Okay, is it clear, friends? This is how you solve this question. Let us move to the next question. Find the variance for the discrete data given below. They are asking us to find the variance, okay, for the discrete data that is given below. They are asking us to find the variance for this data. So how to find the variance? They have given the data. What is the data that they have given? 7, 10, 12, 13, 14, 16. Okay, let me have a check at it. 7, 10, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13. Okay, there is some change here. Okay, they have given 6, 7, 10, 12, 6, 7, 10, 12, 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 13. It is not 14, it is 4. It is 4. Instead of 16 we have 16 we have, instead of 16 we have 8. This is 8. Okay, this is 8 comma 12. Instead of 16 we have 8. Instead of 16 we have 8 comma 12. Okay friends, 16 we have 8 comma 12. So this is the data that they were given. So let us write down this. What is the data that they were given? 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. What is the value of n here? Number of observations. So before that, let us see how to find the variance. What is the formula that we have? What is the formula for variance? Variance formula is here. Variance is equal to the formula you have to remember for variance, that is sigma square is equal to 1 by n summation of what we were doing, xi minus x bar, right? Median we are finding modulus. Instead of modulus, here we will do square. Here we will do square. That's it. Here we will do square of this. Okay, all right. So here the value of n is how much? The value of n is, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is 8. So we have to find arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean will be summation of xi by n, right? Sum of all this divided by n. Sum of all this is what? 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 divided by n is how much? Number of observations n we got it as 8. Number of observations we got it as 8. So 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 plus 10 23. 23 plus 12 is 35. 35 plus 13 is 48. 48 plus 4 is 52. 60 is 72. So 72 by 8. 72 by 8. So that will be equal to what? 72 by 8 is 8 9s are 72. So x bar, that is mean, arithmetic mean will be equal to 9. Arithmetic mean will be equal to 9, friends. Arithmetic mean will be equal to 9. I'll solve this question below. First, let us solve this question. Arithmetic mean will be equal to 9. So here, arithmetic mean will be equal to, this will be equal to 9. So here you can draw a table. I can draw a table there. Okay, I can draw a table where I can write xi, that is xi. I can write xi minus x bar. I can write, and I can write xi minus x bar whole square. Xi minus x bar whole square I can write. Okay, xi minus x bar whole square I can write. So xi means what? These are these observations. So what is that? 6, 7, okay, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8 and 12. And x bar is 9. We know that. So 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9 is what? 6 minus 9 is minus 3. Okay, minus 3. 6 minus 7 is minus 2. 6 minus, sorry, not 6, sorry, 6 minus 9, 9 minus 7, 6 minus 7 is minus 2, 10 minus 9 will be 1, okay, 10 minus 9 will be 1, 12 minus 9 will be plus 3, 13 minus 9 will be 4, and 4 minus 9 will be minus 5, okay, minus 5, and 8 minus 9 will be minus 1 and 12 minus 9 will be plus 3. So this is what we have to square this. Xi minus x bar whole square, that is 3 square is, I'll get it as 9. Minus 2 square is 4. Minus 1, this 1 square will be 1, 3 square will be 9, 4 square will be 16, 5 square will be 25, 1 square will be 1. Minus 5 square is 25, 1 square will be 1, 3 square will be 9. So if I add this, what I'll get here? Summation of xi minus x bar whole square, if I add all this. So that I'll write it here. So what I'll get? Summation of xi minus x bar whole square. What is it? What I'll get? If I add all this, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 9 is 23, 23 plus 16 is 39, 39 plus 25 is 64, 65, okay, 64 plus 1 is 65, 65 plus 9 is 74, 65 plus 9 is 74, okay, 65 plus 9 is 74. So this will be equal to 74, friends. But our formula says what? Our formula says the sigma square is equal to 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar whole square. So xi minus x bar whole square, that is equal to what, friends? That is equal to 74 by 9. Okay, 74 by 9. Okay, n is not equal to 9. Sorry, n will be equal to 8. Right? Number of observations is 8. So this will be equal to 8. So 74 by 8 is what? 8 9s are 72. 2 will be left. 8 2s are 16. Okay. 8 2s are 16. 8 9s are 72. Okay. 8 9s are 72. 2 will be left. 8 2s are 16. 16 means 9.25. 8 5s are 40. This is the answer. 9.25 is the answer to this question. Okay. That is the variance. If they are standard deviation, square root of this. That's all. Next, they are asking find the variance of the following. Okay. Find the variance. This is not standard deviation. Actually, this should be variance. Again, this question is based on variance. This question is again based on variance. Okay. Find the variance of the following data. This is the last question for this chapter when it comes to PYQ. This was asked in the year March 2019. This was asked in the year March 2019. Let us look at the data. 5, 12, 3. Okay. 18, 18, 6, 8, 6, 8, 2, 10. Okay. This is the data that they were given. So, what you have to find? Variance. Variance we know, that is sigma square. Even if they are standard deviation, that is fine, because what we find variance and then we'll do square root. Variance sigma square is equal to what? 1 by n summation of xi minus x bar whole square. So here n is equal to what? Let us write the values. Observations 5, 12, 3, 18, 6, 8, 2 and 10. Okay. N will be equal to what? N will be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. The number of observations is equal to 8. Now we have to find what? Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is x bar is summation of xi by n. That is equal to what, friend? We have to add all this. That is 5 plus 12 plus 3 plus 18 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 10. So this is the arithmetic mean. This you divide by number of observations is 8. Okay. 5 plus 12 17, 17 plus 3 is 20, 20 plus 18 is 38, 38 plus 6 is 44, 44 plus 8 is 52, 52 plus 2 is what? 52 plus 2 is what? 52 plus 2 is 54, 54 plus 10 is 48 plus let me do 5 plus 17, 20, 38, 44, 52, 54, 64, 64 by 8, that is 64 by 8 is 8 itself. So that is 64 by 8, the value will be equal to 8 itself. Now n is 8 and arithmetic mean we got it as 8. So now we can form the table. Okay, we can form the table where we can write xi, another one we can write it as xi minus x bar. Okay, next we can write xi minus x bar whole square, and here we can write summation of this, summation of xi minus x bar, that is summation of the whole thing, this whole column, summation of xi minus x bar whole square. Got it, friends? Summation of this. So first xi is what? We have to write down the observations. So let us write down the observation, that is 5, 12, okay, 3, 18, 6, 8, 6, 8, 2 and 10. These are the observations. So xi minus x bar is what? 8. Okay, x bar is what? 8. So 8 minus 5 or 5 minus 8 is minus 3. 12 minus 8 is 4. Okay, 3 minus 8 is minus 5. 18 minus 8 is 10. 6 minus 8 is minus 2. 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. 10 minus 8 is 2. If we square this, we will get 9. This is 16. This is 25. This is 10 square is 100. This is 4. This is 0. This is 36. This is 4. Now we have to add this. Okay, 9 plus 16, 25. 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 plus 100 is 150. 154. 140. 144. So we will get what? We will get summation of therefore summation of xi minus x square bar is equal to 144. We got it as 144. Now what we have to find? Variance. Variance is denoted by this, that is 1 by summation of xi minus x bar whole square, that is equal to 1 by n is what? The number of observations is 1 by 8 into this is 144. So 144 by 8 is how much? So you can find out 144 by 8. So this is 2 72s are 2 4s are, okay, 2 4s are. So 4 1s are 23 into 4 is 72. So 23 into 4 is 72. But let us check, is it correct 144 or what? Somewhere have we done any mistake? Let us check. Nine, 16, 25. Sixteen plus 9 is 25. 25 plus 25 is 50. 150. 150. 154. 154. 154 plus 36 is 180. 154 plus 36. 154 plus 36 is 190. 194. This is not 144. This will be equal to 194. This will be equal to 194. The given data is correct. This is equal to 194. You should be very careful while calculation, because this is mainly about calculation. Other than that, the concept is very simple, fairly very simple chapter. Okay, this is actually high school level. If you know the formula, these are all calculation are only high school level, nothing much to worry. So 194 by 8, 194 by 8. So this is what I can write it as 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16, 3 will be left. 8 4s are 32, 2 will be left. 2 will be left means 8 2s are 16, 8 5s are 40, 24.25. This is the answer to this question. Alright friends, so we have done with the measures of dispersion chapter when it comes to VSAQ. I hope it was useful. Please practice the questions again, because you will get same or similar questions only. Okay, alright friends, let's meet in the next session. Okay, alright, thank you friends.